Hello everyone, this is Ruben from PAS Professional Amazon Services. For today's Amazon DIY, we're going to look into something that every seller must know, which is your Amazon customer demographics. But not the standard way that Amazon feeds you, but the way that will give you a full information who your buyer is and if your product detail page is catering to those customers. So stick around. There is a lot more to uncover. Also on this video, I'm including the prompt that you will need in order to get to the final results. As for this experiment, we need three things. It's an Excel or any other sheet form that you use, for example, Google, and ChatGPT, and of course your Amazon brand analytics data. So stick around. I'll show how to do it. At the end, you're going to get a full information. Who is your buyer? Who is your buyer, and if you are catering to them or not. All right. So to start, you need to log into your Amazon Seller Central by using your login and password. And the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your menu. From there, the brands and brand analytics. And I cannot recommend this page enough in general, brand analytics, because it has so much information about your customers, what customers search for, including one of my favorite pages here, your customer journey analytics. But this is something for the next time. And what you want to do next, you want to go to your customer search analytics. And from there, you want to go to demographics. So here at your demographics, you have a couple of options to work with. I'm going to give you the version of I am choosing. And from here, you have the age, you have income, you have education, you have gender and marital status. And at the first glance, it may seem not a lot, but believe me, once you put all of these together, it gives you full information what your customer, who is your customer, and especially when you have the right prompt. So the way to start downloading, you have an options on the reporting range. It's weekly, monthly, and quarterly. I choose quarterly as it gives you bulkier information and it's easier to break down. We go for 2024, and you can do this for each year, even to analyze the differences if your core customers have changed. And then go to the quarter. You have the brand. As you can see, this is Green Lunch Bento. This is my own brand. And you go to category as all, and you go to apply. So once it is applied, you have the visual ones, but we're not going to focus on that. We go to generate download. You go to the simple view and you click generate download. So once it's downloaded and it's generated, and you need to do this 4 times, obviously, 1 for each quarter, you need to go to your download manager. You can see I've downloaded the 4 quarterly reports here available, and I went ahead and downloaded now one by one into Excel files. As a standard, these files comes in an Amazon favorite one, which is the CSV. But me, who are used to work with an Excel, I open with Excel, or you can copy the whole thing and paste in a Google Sheets. If you do not have an Excel, then you can use the Google Sheets free option. So the way I like to do it, I'm going to break it down for you. That will make sense. And the idea of it is, because it's 4 different pieces of information, I just use one single sheet and upload all 4 of them into one single file, just to make it easier for even ChatGPT to read it and give a full picture. And this is how it looks like. For a little bit of a thinking, it broke down into the key prompts they have requested from it. That starts from the key insights, broken down between largely 6 bullet points that goes to cover the income, the holiday quarter behavior. I read this through, which is fascinating because it shows how the demographics from female to male shifts at the Q4. So for example, I'm running DSP, which I do for this brand. I will look forward to increasing the budget or creating more campaigns towards male during the Q4. Obviously, you have your income demographics, education, overview, and there is an unknown demographics that are too large to ignore, which means we will need more data. Next, it goes to the primary customer avatar, 35 to 54 is core with a spillover to 25 to 34, and income and lifestyle, middle to upper income is set it and forget it. So they're looking something that is going to be durable and last long, and I'll speak about that later on as well. So for example, from that to pivot, emotional buying triggers, peace of mind, feeling like prepared parent. I mean, this information is gold when you're building your detail pages, and you can use this to create videos around this content if you're working with affiliates, or update your detail pages. Functional buying triggers, durability over time, easy cleaning, practical design. And I believe I forgot to mention, we offer a large box as a product, and I'll show you the detail page to cover some of the designs that we have done utilizing this information, and like just show how useful it is, both if you're using in the advertising or just by optimizing your pages for a conversion. You have a secondary customer segment inside messaging and positioning, strategic recommendation, pricing strategy, and much more. So let's go to the detail page as promised, and I'll show you some of the things we've done, and you'll see so many similarities from here, what you have just read, to the detail page that is already ready to go. All right, so this is the product that we've launched about a week ago, and some of the things right away to talk about: the simplicity, once and done, both once and done. It's microwave safe, so we're trying to get that off the buyer's back. It's a dishwasher safe. It is designed for kids. Some of the things we've already triggered in our product detail pages, and also it's something that will go along with the video content that we are already shooting for this product, even to continue to A+ premium content. Boom, here we go. I'm probably going to ask my designer to build this for my detail page as well. As you can see, we're talking exactly that. It's a product into the backpack. Also, we're throwing some adult information because from the initial feedback we've got that adults love it too. We've also have this a dishwasher safe and microwave safe. Again, these are the things that we're looking from them to know what is it based on and how it works, and in use by building to our customer avatar. So this is all. This is how we use the customer demographic data in much robust way, in much in-depth way than the Amazon gives us. And if this information was useful for you, please like the video, comment, ask a question. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And for more content like this in Amazon DIY, please subscribe for the channel, and see you next time.